Hey, what's up guys? This is Abhishek here from AB Planet. Today I have got another text effect for you, especially for Filmora users. So let's see this amazing text effect. So if you want to download these amazing glitch letters for free, just hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification and to get access to these files. So without any further delay, let's start today's video and let's see how to use these letters. So first of all, click on import and select those letters which is required to create your text. As I am creating glitch text, so I am selecting letters accordingly. After selecting your letters, click on open. Now select any background and drag and drop it on track 1. Now go to project media and drag and drop your first letter on track 2 and extend background duration and match it with your text. Now double click on your letter and decrease its scale to 90%. It is totally depend on you. Now right click on it and copy effect. After that, align its x-axis position. Go to project media and drag and drop second letter on track 3. Right click on it and paste effect, and then double click on it and align its x-axis position. So do the same with the rest of the letters. So once you're done with your all the letters, import this light effect and place it on the top of your letters. Now we are going to place cinematic bars. So for that, click on effect, type 21 in search and drag and drop cinema 21:9 on top layer and extend its duration as per your text duration. Now if you want to change the color of your letters, double click on them, go to color and play with this temperature and tint slider. Or you can click on advanced, or you can select any presets from these preloaded presets. So once you're done, click on render button for smooth playback. So let's see how it looks. You can keep it simple, or if you want to add some effect, go to transitions, drag and drop wrap zoom 6 at the starting of your clip and decrease transition duration. Do the same on rest of the clips. Now drag and drop wrap zoom 3 at the end of the clip and decrease its duration, and do the same on rest of the clips. And place wrap zoom 6 and wrap zoom 3 at the starting and end of your background clip, and then press on render button. Now let's see how it looks. Now if you want to export it, click on export, give name to your clip, and then click on settings and check everything should be on higher and click on export. So this is how you can create amazing glitch effect with these letters. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the like button. So guys, if you want to download these files for free, just hit the subscribe button to get access to these files. So guys, see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, keep watching, keep learning, and goodbye.